Hey, welcome to the channel, and if you're new, welcome back. Today we're going to go over how to season pork chops. Now, this is the way that I like to season my pork chops. Once I rinse them and let them soak in a little bit of vinegar. Sometimes I use lemon, but today I used vinegar, just a bit, for about 15-20 minutes. And after I do that, I rinse them off. And I leave a little bit of water in them because I'm going to be putting them in here and then in the refrigerator to marinate overnight. Now, I've got 11 pork chops in here of different sizes. These are center cut loin pork chops. And I didn't trim the fat because when I sear them, I like the fat to cook in the pork chop. And it lends it a little bit more flavor when you do that. So we're gonna start with the garlic. Okay, so I've got some mashed garlic in here. Okay, and don't know if I'm gonna use all of this. Let's see. It's not that much, but then I wanted to save some for some rice because I'm going to be making some rice too, and I really don't want to mash garlic up again. Oh, let's see what I'm going to do. Let me see if I can save some of this garlic in here. Alright, and then I'm just going to spread that. Spread this around. And eventually it'll spread around all the pork chops because I'm going to be moving the pork chops around as I add the seasoning. Okay, so we're gonna got garlic all over everything now. Okay. So as you move them around and you change the position, the garlic will eventually make its way through all of the pork chops. I don't want to use my other hand because I need my other hand clean to open up the seasoning containers. Because I'm going to be also seasoning this with pepper, some black pepper, some salt, just a little bit because I don't want a lot of salt in the food, some onion powder, garlic powder, some dash seasoning, which is I think it's garlic and herb, and a little bit of curry. I've been liking to put curry for some reason. It just gives it another layer of flavor that I like into the meat. So I've been liking to use curry lately. Okay, I think I'm gonna save this garlic for my rice for tomorrow. A little bit of garlic in there. I don't think I need any more garlic in here. Maybe I do, because it's a lot of pork chops. It's 11 pork chops in here. Alright, so we're gonna add just a tiny bit of salt. Just a sprinkle. And onion powder. Oregano. Okay, and then what we're gonna do is we're gonna turn this around and we're gonna season the other side of the pork chops. Okay. Gotta make sure I have enough because I need this for some rice for tomorrow. Some garlic powder. Okay, some black pepper. Okay, guys, tell me in the comments how you've made your pork chops, how you season your meat, what seasonings you prefer, what are your favorite seasonings, what you like to use. And again, please keep the comments coming. I've been enjoying your comments. Okay, this is just a little bit of curry because I just like the flavor, and a little bit of sazon, and this is for color. I don't feel this sazon really adds much flavor to anything, so this is really just for color. right, and then we're gonna turn these over. Alright, and once we turn these over, we're going to season the other side the same way. Alright. Okay, so we're going to, again, you just wipe my hands a little bit here. Okay, so we're going to use the dash, garlic and herb. And I discovered this gives a great flavor to steak. I made some New York strip steak the other day. I should have made a video, I didn't. But I'll try to make a video out of that next time that I make them. And I'm not a steak eater, but when I fix the steak with the with that seasoning, boy, did it give it a good flavor. I really enjoyed that steak. Okay. And I've eaten steak in my life, you can count in 2 hands, less than 10 fingers, because I really do not like steak. Well, did not, until I learned how to season it with that. Okay, a little bit of oregano. And a little bit of, not too much, because I'm going to turn this around. Okay, as you turn your chops around, you'll find that they are going to get seasoned by the other chops. They have seasoning on them. Okay. And again, I'm just trying to keep that one hand clean, my left hand, so that I can open up the seasoning bottles. All right. Okay, and I see that some of these might need a little bit more seasoning, so we're gonna do a little bit more. Do some curry. Dash again, and again this dash is salt free. Okay, it has no salt. This is garlic and herb. I really like it. Okay, then we've got a little bit of, I'm not gonna use, well, let's use a little bit of garlic seasoning. Okay, a little bit of onion powder. A little bit of oregano. Okay, and a little bit more sazon. And you know what? I do have some chicken seasoning, some poultry seasoning in here. Oh, I don't remember the name of it, but I know I have one that's really good. I forgot all about it. I'm not sure where I have it, but it's really good. It's not this one. Oh, I don't know what to do with it. Alright, so we're going to add a little bit of cumin. Not too much, because cumin tends to overpower. It has a very overpowering flavor. move these around. Ready? Okay, so that's basically how I season my pork chops and a lot of my meat. Not just the pork chops, I season a lot of meat this way. Okay, so thanks for stopping by, and I'll see you next time.